To talk to this veteran, we had to bring his daughter, his favorite daughter, who can only interpret for him because he has a hearing condition. He sustained this during the war and want to hear him talk about it. Nai, why
Afam Ebuna, Sylvester.
Kefani Feme Edan.
Oh, during Biafra, Nigeria war. All after I get our dieba boy. Onye na chọrọ onye mere Adama so eji abịago so Adama anụchazi ihe ọfụma na ọ dachiri ntị onye mere m ihe a aka ebe ụkwụ aka ebe
kemgbe aka ọtụrụ gị ụkwụ
n'aka ọtụrụ m ụkwụ ebe mana ga-elu tacha na
Do you feel pity for your family? Talk about it.
Like, after the war, as he told me, so he was like telling me that after the war, there's no, like, well, they survived, sure. But during everything, my mom died. So my brothers, they went for to serve people just like me. Like now I am now. I've not completed my education just because.
You are watching Ije the Journey with Nnenna Joseph.
This is the Biafra Army Veteran Home, located at Oji River, Enugu State. After the war, there were about 700 men camped here. There's a school down there. Some of them were camped there as well. But as the years went on, the number began to dwindle. Some left due to poor living conditions. Others died from natural causes. A number of them died from avoidable diseases, untreated gunshot wounds, untreated amputees, infections. This could have been avoided if they were under proper health care plan. Let's meet the remaining gallant soldiers who fought for the Biafra War, who fought for the land of the rising sun. No. Then. Nice. Iko bwana sabe.
Didi aminjoku.
Onye munaga onwe ya wutere karịa.
Dennis and Connors, Mr. Uno, and my fellow soldier,
Dennis?
Dennis on our battle. On our battle, on the play now. Very no song.
And we campaign for wounded soldiers and they treating her.
Yes.
People wounded in the battle.
I'm camp. That's all hospital.
Okay.
People are going to arrest. From there, in the chance festival, I was here to hospital.
He couldn't make it. Otu no se deta. Ke kwesefo living condition no otu no si bieba.
Bia bieba ibole ju.
Otu akọ divu n'ezizi.
Nizo ga ebe ihe jitu mma. Mana ogbu hobele oge ihe agasa. Nizo ga ebe izu, igwe eziokwu. Ana enye
no.
Treatment to few years. Agasa.
Which year can he need us?
I've been 77, 78. Oh my head is for go to know why they cry. About all the following day 20. So my now finding when mother and when mother do not know. And when I get when mother, no young when I can't be help. That can't be. Alada ihe ori na afia ya ọgwụ onye yawa ọ na-eji ihe ya gote no
o ndị nwugo senso
ndị nwugo na ajụ
ọrịa
ọrịa otu isu enwe ndị ya nọ ihe bidokwe isu no treatment so na ọrụkwa n'ọrịa.
Do you regret fighting? Do you regret being a person?
Well, okay, that's it. Now we regret. No matter na mma na ihe isi ike na ihe mshama. Also, na ma isto ndozo, so. Ona ga ha mwe merụ arụ, ma ndị nne merụ arụ. Ona ya pụta ha oge anyị che na nna dị ndụ na ndụ otu nne. Che na ana enwe dị.
Because more born on a battlefield.
Yeah, Koga here. That's no for our house.
So the plan was to
Ibusi from 5 years old.
Ibusi from 5 years old.
Think efforts in the border and getting this in our souls and Ibusha. I know. Now during the war, now I go no can't. And if you when they were shocked, I grew. They were done when them a small group, which I had done about upon. If one mother, Mamma, no one mother. And I broke up a shock.
Okay. I na-erikwa nri mana ọ bụrụzi nke etu a ụbọchị afọrọ erie ụbọchị afọrọ ana-ama na-eji maka ebe dịka iji metu anyị si enweta ihe anyị na-eri. Yes, o nwere ndị achụrụ ọsọ, o nwere ndị gbara ọsọ be ha dịka mụnwa na onwe m na-ekwu mụnwa na onwe m particular. Enwere my two IC. So I go carry a massive my two IC. Marco Germany be and with a ihe onwe ka isi fụ amụma Fuji. Iweta. Ka malite esi me. Onya ahụ na anyị na-eri ihe.
Ka ebe ha na-ewetakwa n'akpụ na ji. Ka ebe ha na-esi weta akpụ na ji.
Tụka ndị gbara ọsọ.
Ndị gbara ọsọ rapụ ife.
Ndị gbara ọsọ ha hapụzi ebe ha na ebe niile. Yes, I need to say bye with me. What I do with it. You see, yeah, I have no war for to gather brother. Hey, by a man, the Gagan.
Only one name, only of a name, Mangonara.
Then one Ronara. You might. Which are David? Which are the
He's having dementia. he's finding it difficult to recall. He's finding it difficult to grasp information. So you have to repeat it as many times as possible.
Just like my father did. The little only Ije, they didn't know to survive too.
In August school.
I'm not going to school.
Okay, very possible.
Well, I'm still now SS2. So, several people at the morning and let me stop and look for something to do, also to help my dad.
Does his condition affect you?
Very well. It affects me because...
What of your mom?
My mom is late. She died 2007 when I was still small. Since when I was in nursery class, I was very small then.
What killed her?
She suffered from a sickness called cholera.
Cholera.
Yeah.
And there was no money to treat it.
There was no money. They take her to the hospital. There was no money. They brought her back home. So from there she died.
What do you do now?
I'm looking for a job. But I don't find anything doing now.
This remained the most emotional part of this journey. We were able to talk to Mr. Gideon and Mr. Sylvester Ebulam. These veterans have been living like paupers since after the war. If not for well-meaning Nigerians who were able to do some renovations, and that's all they've had. They don't have food, they don't have water, they don't have anything. A number of them are not here because they've gone out. And you would assume they've gone out to work. No, they've gone out to beg. They're on the streets begging for alms. And these are people who committed their lives for this cause. The journey continues. This is Ije the Journey with Nnenna Joseph. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what you think in the comment section. This is Ije the Journey with Nnenna Joseph on Nnenna.tv.
On the next episode of Ije the Journey, Nnenna Joseph and the Ije crew take a trip to an important location that was once the only link between Biafra and the outside world. It was a landing point for ammunition and relief materials for the Biafran people. Join us as we visit the Uli airstrip.